In this video, I'll show you where to find promo code deals for Viator. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and sub to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, open up any web browser and then from there go to Google, and in the Google search bar type in promo codes for Viator and then click search, and then you'll be brought to the Google search results here. So as you can see, we've got coupon follow, Groupon, real time you're not 40% off. You can even check out Reddit threads, frugal feeds worth the penny. So you can check out any one of these third-party sites. It's a great spot to get promo coupon deals, and just keep an eye out to make sure these deals are still active as well. And also these deals do change daily. So I want to click on couponfollow.com, and now from here I'm going to scroll down and check out all their current deals and offerings. So you can see all the current ones. You got 50% off, and you got 7% cash back, and you can check out the featured offer deals as well, so you can get an idea of what they offer. All right, in this demonstration, I want to if I want to get where are we here, save up an extra 50% on things to do plus free cancellation. So as you can see, no coupon code needed, so you can just click on continue this offer. If I scroll down and click onto the 7% cash back, you can activate that. So join coupon follow, earn 7% back at Viator. So you need to actually join this company, coupon follow, to enjoy 7% back. Yeah, so you can just check out all these different third-party sites for different deals.